All right, let's say you got a Nissan, a 2014 Sentra model, and you need to take off that door panel for whatever reason, speaker, window regulator, what have you. I'm going to show you how to take this bad boy off with just one screw. Where is that one screw? Let me show you. Come over here, get a screwdriver, and just pop this. You see that number 10? Take that number 10 off. Once you took off that number 10 bolt, all you gotta do is get a screwdriver, come around the bottom, and start your way, work around, pulling up. Just pull out with it. Go around to the other side. All right, so you can remove this real quick by prying it off. Before taking the door panel off, when you go up, come over here and pop this cover right here. Just clips on. Now you can just take this off by just going up. So now you have access to everything. Your window regulator, your speaker, door handle. Hope this helped out, guys. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe. It doesn't cost a penny to do so. All right, take it easy.